Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem in programming. So, imagine you have an array in a generic function and you want to iterate through it byte by byte. Tricky, right? In the example provided, we're using wide underscore characters, where each character is 4 bytes long. With 3 characters as input, we have 12 bytes to iterate through. How can we achieve this efficiently? Let's dive into the solution. In the solution, we introduce a nested loop to iterate through each byte of the array. We convert each array element to a storage array to ensure smooth iteration. Converting the array to a storage array in one go is not recommended due to memory storage constraints with non-contiguous values in the index type. By leveraging unchecked conversion and system storage elements, we can successfully iterate through the array byte by byte. Continuing with the solution, we see the output of the code snippet provided. The output displays each byte of the input characters, showcasing a seamless byte-by-byte iteration process. By breaking down the elements into storage arrays and leveraging Ada's functionalities, we can efficiently handle byte iteration within the array. In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of iterating through an array byte by byte. By implementing nested loops and leveraging conversion techniques, we've ensured a smooth and effective iteration process. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, programming can be byte-eful when approached strategically. Until next time, happy coding.